Good day, everyone. This is King Ezekiel. So, a lot of people have been asking me, like, they want to run Facebook ads on phone, or they want to do it on Ads Manager, like they're doing it on laptop. So, it is very easy. All you have to do is go to facebook.com. This is my home page. Wow, nice. Multiverse of Madness, May 4. That's nice. So, can you see these three dots at your right hand corner at the top? This one here. Can you see it? This one here. Let me go back. This one here. Click on it. Can you see desktop mode? This is desktop mode there. Yeah. Good. Click on it. So just wait for it to load. Give it a minute or two. My network is actually bad. Nice. Nice. So make sure it is like this. Can you see this is desktop mode? You see all this status or stories, they'll be small like this. Then come to this place. This is your URL box and type in this same place, so facebook.com. Can you see it? Slash ads, not ads manager. Enter. Then wait for it to load. Just give it a minute or two. I don't want this video to exceed 2 minutes. Wow, too late. Too late to exceed 2 minutes. So just wait for it to load. So can you see it? This is Facebook Ads Manager. It's still loading anyways. Can you see? So you'll be able to create your campaign here just as I explained it in Digital Marketing 101. So thank you. It is King Ezekiel.